Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am coming at you with this super soft yet hella glowy springtime makeup tutorial. And you guys, I'm so obsessed. This may be one of my most favorite makeup looks I have yet to create on my channel. I love how soft it is, yet it's kind of dramatic, which is like up my alley. Even though I'm a freaking old slick, you guys, I pulled out all the stops today. I used every one of my most dewy makeup products, and I think my skin looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed with my freaking glow. I'm just loving it, you guys. I'm obsessed. I hope that you guys like it just as much. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this springtime makeup look, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, starting off with the Cover FX Mattifying Primer. I'm going to be placing this just in my T-zone where I'm most likely to get the most oily. Now going in with that really expensive YSL primer with the gold flakes in it. I'm going to put this on the rest of my face. I really do like this primer. It is very luminous without letting your makeup slide everywhere, so it's perfect for this type of look. As always, I'll be using my IT Cosmetics by Under Eye to color correct my dark circles. This is nothing new. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my favorite drugstore foundation. You guys know I love this stuff. The finish is absolutely beautiful. It is like a very natural finish, and the foundation lasts all day long. I'm obsessed with it. And then taking the love of my life, the Tarte Shape Tape to conceal, well, you know, everywhere. I'm going to set that in place with the Mercier translucent powder. I'm not really baking today, just doing more of a light dusting. And then of course I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to contour in all the usual places. To bronze up the rest of the face, I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. This really gives you a beautiful sun-kissed glow, and because it has a nice sheen to it, keeps the luminosity all over the face. And for blush today, I'm using an oldie but a goodie, the Benefit Coralista, and doing my usual blush routine with that, also adding it to the inner portions of the cheek and across the bridge of my nose. To start highlighting today, I'm going to be using the Dior Nude Skin Air in 001. This is a highlighter that is very much like a glow from within. It's really, really pretty and kind of subtle. And so I'm going to put that all over the place. Cheeks, chin, up in between my eyes and on the tip of my nose. And then because we want to be really glowy in this look, I'm going to take the Sleek makeup highlighting palette in Solstice, and on the highest points of my cheeks, I'm going to put that, as well as on the tip of my nose and my Cupid's bow. You want to use the lightest hand with this highlighting palette because it can get out of hand really, really quickly, but it is so pretty. I did my brows off camera, and now jumping into the NYX eyeshadow palette in Sugar High. I'm going to take that pinky brown transition shade, and we're going to put this pretty much everywhere in the crease, and then really blowing it out in the upper crease. This look is going to take a lot of blending, so beware. Moving on to the pink shade in the palette. I'm going to be placing this practically everywhere. This is the star of the show. On the outer corner of my eye, really into the crease, and then of course blowing this out pretty much everywhere that transition shade went, and then some. and then blending out the edges with no additional product on the brush that we started with. And because I want this look to have more of a gradient, I'm going to go back in with a pink and really focus it into the crease and like on the outer portion, and then continue to smoke it out into the upper crease area even more. Next, going in with the purple shade from this palette, and I did start with the fluffy brush that you see here, but then switched to my M506. I'm placing this just in the outer corner. I do not want this to go above the crease, and I don't want it to go into the eye more than the outer third. Lord, I can't talk today. I really just wanted to create a little bit of dimension in this look and not have the whole thing to be completely pink, so that's why I use this shade. And then of course I'm going to blend out those edges with the pink again, because this look needs to be completely seamless. Now I'm going in with that gorgeous shimmery pink shade, and I did wet the brush with Fix Plus, and I'm packing this pretty much all over the lid. I really thought the shimmers performed awesome and had like no fallout. And now onto the lower lash line, I'm taking that purple shade, focusing most of the color on the outer portion just to really connect it, and then ever so lightly bringing it into the inside. I don't want the lower lash line to be too dramatic. I switched to a fluffier brush to really diffuse the color, no product on there. And then taking just a little bit of the pink to really connect the whole entire eye and blend that lower lash line out just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of the NYX liquid liner in black to create a very, very thin line to help my lashes blend. I do not like using liquid liner. You guys know I'm a gel person. I think it gets messy, but I did it anyways. I'm going to tight line with the JCat liner in black. And then I'm also doing my waterline with the ColourPop gel liner in Honeydew. I am using our Dell Wispy lashes today. I'm even surprised I got that in frame, you guys. And then I'm going to highlight with the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in number 13 on the inner corner, as well as on the brow bone. And then I'm just kind of blending out the edges a little bit because that highlighter is insane, but it is so beautiful. I'm going to set that with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And then for lips today, I'm going in with the Jeffree Star lipstick in Birthday Suit. And then right over top of that with the Kylie Cosmetics gloss in Literally. Just to kind of dull down the pink in that one lipstick. And then I kind of knock off a little bit of the shine because I didn't want it to be too shiny, since the rest of my face is. And there you have it, guys. This is my soft yet hella glowy springtime makeup look. I think it turned out absolutely perfect. I really hope that you like it. And if you did enjoy watching, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!